see some of the bark. It's a little smoother when at the branches, kind of like a white oak at the bottom, and it's nice and white wood, soft, and you can carve it real good. Alright, we're on top of the mountain here. We're gonna make our hand drill fire here. I'll show you how to start it. We got the basswood, we're ready to roll. Okay, what we gotta start with is we split a piece of wood like that, made a flat spot with our knife, and we just take that edge right there, and we'll start by making a round spot for our spindle. So that's a place to start. Kinda like that. And then you make sure you're out far enough. So you're gonna catch a V that we're gonna put in here. And what I did, took a piece like this. See the barbs on it? Nice and dry. You can see the end. I just smoothed it out with a knife for your hands. It's like pitted in the inside. You'll see that. That's what helps start the fire. And then you just run it back and forth till you drill. Now we got a nice seat for the drill. And we'll cut in there. Want the V to go in there good. So you're shaving it enough. And I'll take some of this milkweed, put it underneath. Alright, just getting warmed up here. I'm going to try another hole. Start another one again. If we keep at it, we're going to get this thing warm enough. Back at this on the second hole. Got it good and warmed up now. Hopefully we can get something going here. It's getting blacker now, boys. Smoking. Alright, got a hot ember. I'm going to take you in a little closer here. Show you how to do it. You just want to nurse it. Where it's burning the grindings. Steady breath. Right now I'm blocking the wind.